Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful mint condition, fully loaded 2015 Forest River Cedar Creek 38RD Hathaway edition luxury fifth wheel with 5 slides. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 41 feet 9 inches, and the exterior height to the dual AC units is 13 feet. And the unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line, or the dry weight, is 14,242 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. I do know these owners. The owners of this coach, they are the original owners. They bought it new, and I've known these people since 2004, the whole family, and they take very good care of their stuff. This coach is 100% excellent condition. Okay, let's go ahead and start in the rear here in the living room area. This is a 5-slide fifth wheel. First slide out, it's going to accommodate the theater seating, dual recliner sofa feature, and you do have the day-night roller blinds. Those are the ones you want. Your sofa, the color, all the fabrics are going to be a dark brown color, and this is the ultra leather finish. And both of these again are recliners. In the rear here, you do have the hide-to-bed sleeper sofa, pulls out into a big queen bed, and again it's the ultra leather, brown in color and excellent condition. You do have a crowned roof, so you do have a lot more ceiling height. I've got good lighting right here, show off the window treatments. This is going to be your second slide out, accommodates the entertainment center. I believe the TV is going to be a 47-inch Jensen, and you do have the fireplace, basically a 5,000 BTU electric heater. And you do have the stereo with Bluetooth. It connects to all smart devices. It does all the good stuff, and that is a sound bar. Not sure what color they're calling them cabinets. I'm going to guess a glazed maple. And kind of zoom in, show off that nickel finish on all your hardware. And all your styles are all going to be solid wood. This is going to be some of the best cabinetry you're going to find in a fifth wheel. Ceiling fan. French doors that close off from the entertainment center area to the kitchen. You can make it into a big bedroom at night. Going into the kitchen, this is going to be your third slide out. Accommodates the huge residential 18 cubic foot Whirlpool refrigerator and the oven, stove, and microwave. Refrigerator is by Whirlpool. There's your Whirlpool badge there. It is stainless steel finish on the outside. It's definitely going to be one of the largest, if not the largest, refrigerator you're going to find on a fifth wheel. And this is a full electric refrigerator, so it does have a standalone 1,000-watt inverter to power it when you're traveling. There's going to be your ice maker. Oven with stainless steel finish. It's probably going to be a 22-inch oven, largest that they offer, and I believe it has never been used. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is usually going to be a high output. Nice stone backsplash here. It's not the sticky stuff. This is stone. And nice Whirlpool microwave. Show off that little island here. I do want to also point out, you do have solid surface countertops. These are going to be like a Corian style countertop. Nice deep double bowl. Stainless steel sink. And it is under mounted. A lot of residential features on this coach. This Cedar Creek is definitely one of the nicer fifth wheels I have a chance to opportunity to do a video on. Nice pull out sprayer faucet. Fantastic vent fan. Show off that lighting up top here in the kitchen. All your lights are going to be all LED. Saves you on your battery. Nice 110 outlet right there. This is going to be your fourth slide out. Accommodates the freestanding table and chairs. This table does have a hide-a-leaf, and so it comes out, and there are two chairs that the owner has, I believe, up underneath the bed. And your floor area in the kitchen is that wood plank flooring. It's all vinyl, residential vinyl flooring. This coach is fully equipped, as I said in the beginning, and it is equipped with a 5.5 Awning LP generator, and the generator currently has just a little bit over an hour on the Jenny. So this coach has hardly ever been used. I do want to point out this does have a central vac. In the bathroom, you do have a foot flush porcelain toilet or china toilet. You do have the huge residential style one-piece fiberglass shower with seating. Definitely going to be one of your nicest showers you're going to find in the fifth wheel. It's a nice skylight. Another fantastic vent fan. I do want to also point out the AC unit on this coach. It's all ducted all the way through. It's the ultra quiet system. It's a high performance AC system on this, and it is basically like central AC, where you have returns right here, and there's your exhaust, and you have two other returns in the kitchen, and I think one in the living room, and it makes this system the quietest AC system in the industry. This is going to be your fifth slide out. Accommodates the king bed, and this is the ultra plush mattress. Definitely one of the nicest mattresses you're going to find. Beautiful headboard. And you do have the washer and dryer stack unit. That's splendid. This coach is 50 amp service. Huge walk-in closet. This bed does lift up, and there's lots of storage up underneath. Not sure what size the TV is in here. And this coach is equipped with dual AC units, one 15,000 BTU, and I believe the other one's at least going to be a 13,500 BTU. This coach pretty much has every single option you could have received in 2015. And your furnace is all obviously ducted, and it's going to be probably at least a 40,000 BTU furnace. There's your exhaust for your AC there. More exhaust there, and there are your returns in the rear. That's what makes it so quiet versus the traditional AC unit, which would be mounted in the center, and the exhaust and the return is right there, and it's just really loud usually, but definitely a great system. Let's go ahead and walk outside. The only reason why the owners are selling this coach is because their priorities have changed. Okay, you have front and rear molded, painted, gel coated for front cap and rear cap. Show off that Cedar Creek badge there, Hathaway edition. Trailer pin box. I believe that was an option. It may have been part of a package. I do want to point out nice LED light accent right here on the front cap. And while I'm up here, just go ahead and show off that generator, LP generator, 5.5 Awning with 1 hour on it. I do want to point out this is a surge protector. It's about a $400 surge protector. The owners are not including it with the camper, but if you're interested in it, maybe you can work something out with the owners. That's definitely a neat feature. I do want to point out also the outside is basically looks like a full body paint, but it's that colored fiberglass, and the color is bled all the way through. And this is kind of a taupe color. And all your decals are all in excellent condition. Aluminum, full aluminum frame construction. You do have R insulation in the roof and floor, R38 in the roof and floor, and R9 in the sidewalls. Underbelly is going to be fully enclosed heated underbelly. You can go into 0-degree weather. This is rated at 0 degrees, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling jacks. This is neat how they take that metal wrap and wrap it around the frame so you're not looking at a rusty frame, which is definitely cool. Show off that gel coat finish. Exterior speakers. Huge exterior storage. I think they're calling this 100 cubic foot of storage space. And the owners did a few upgrades. You can put a table up here, mount it. They do have sewer hose, extra sewer hose holder right there. And your construction, there it is, the aluminum framing. And this is a heated compartment area too. You do have slam latch baggage doors, all insulated. I do want to point out you do have storm doors on your screen door. Show off those wheels. I believe they're going to be 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Suspension on this is going to be some of the best in the industry. It's the Dexter. It looks like it's almost like an independent suspension. It's one of the best rides you're going to get on a fifth wheel. Let's back up here. Exterior kitchen. Everything is all done in aluminum or steel. So it's not that wrapped Formica top like they usually put in traditional RVs, and it starts swelling up after a couple of years. And the cabinets are all wrapped or metal, which is cool. Nice LED light accent. Yeah, this is all metal. Nice dorm fridge, microwave, and sink. Let's turn off these lights. Here we go. And again, insulated doors. Sorry, but where the owners have this parked, I can't really show you the back side. Try my best, but you do have the rear painted, molded, gel coated fiberglass cap. You do have the backup camera. The owners do have the monitor in their truck, and that is included with the camper. Nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to service your dual AC units. This does have the full awning package. And again, I do apologize. We're kind of in a sticky area here where I can't get around. But anyway, I do also want to point out the owners upgraded on their own this hitch receiver on the back. You can put like a little, maybe a little cargo rack on the back if you wanted that option. You've got it. Oh, and you do have an RV grill that goes right here. There's your awning package, slide out awning package, and your main awning. It's going to be, I believe, an 18-foot main power awning, fully adjustable, excellent condition. I do also want to point out you do have the frameless tinted windows, cleaner look, easier to clean. See if I can show off that back side here. There are no scratches. There's no issues on this coach at all. It's beautiful. Okay, you do have brand new batteries, 4 brand new coach batteries. There's your 1,000-watt standalone inverter for your refrigerator. This is going to be your 6-point auto leveling system here. A few touches and on the buttons and you're leveled up. It's going to be your hydraulic system, full hydraulic system for your jacks or your slides or both. All your slides are all hydraulic. A little selector switch in here I'll show you in your compartment area, your waterworks area here. There's your selector switch. You can put the kitchen or living room out if you want that option. You can put the dining room, kitchen, and bedroom out. Kitchen and kitchen, anyway. Outside shower, it's going to be your cable and satellite hook up there. It's going to be your black tank sewer flush right there, washes out your toilet. Freshwater hook up there, pretty easy to figure out. There's your battery disconnect right here. Saves you on your battery when you're storing it. Those are going to be your enclosed and heated gate valves. They're all protected from the elements. Again, this is rated at 0 degrees. There's going to be your front cap lights. Turn that off. And easy to bypass and winterize directions right there. Pretty self-explanatory. And you do have a manual crank here for that 50 amp power cord. 12-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. This is going to be your compartment for your another sewer hose. This is going to be your large furnace exhaust right here. Marine style 50 amp cord. It's going to be where you dump here. Look at that. You're not looking at that rusty steel framing because they bring that aluminum skirting all the way down up underneath to meet the underbelly. And your underbelly does have service panels, so you can actually take out some of these sections in case you need to service your holding tanks. Nice service light. There's your Cedar Creek badge there. It's a beautiful fifth wheel. 1 through 10, 10 being the best, definitely a 10. Any dealer would agree. I know I didn't get everything. This coach is fully loaded. Definitely a luxury fifth wheel. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.